The silent killer of rice, Megnoporte oryza.
Imagine standing in the middle of a beautiful rice field. Every healthy green leaf represents food for millions of people around the world. However, among these healthy plants is one of the most destructive disease threatening global rice production. Today, I will introduce rice blast disease, one of the most serious diseases affecting the rice worldwide. This disease can affect rice plant from seedling stage until harvest, causing significant yield losses if not properly managed. In this presentation, I will explain the causal pathogen, symptom, sign of the pathogen, effect on the plant function, and the best method to control this disease. Moving on, rice blast disease is considered one of the most economically important diseases of rice. It occurs in almost every rice-growing country and causes serious losses in both rice yield and grain quality. According to the International Rice Research Institute, IRR, rice blast can infect rice plant at almost every stage and has potential to cause devastating yield losses if left unmanaged. The disease attacks almost every above ground part of the rice plant, including the leaf, the collar, the nodes, the necks, panicle, and sometimes the leaf shell. During severe outbreak, young seedling may die before maturity, while mature plants produce fewer grain, many of which are poorly filled or empty. These losses greatly reduce farmer income and threaten food security around the world. Rice blast disease is caused by a fungal pathogen called Megnoporte oryza, also known as Pericularia oryza. This fungus infects rice plant by producing microscopic spores that land on the leaf surface. Under warm and humid conditions, these spores germinate and penetrate the plant tissue. Once inside the plant, the fungus grows and spreads through the infected tissue, allowing the disease to develop rapidly through the rice plant. The symptom of rice blast disease develop in several stages. Before infection, the rice leaf appear healthy, smooth, and bright green. During the early stage of the infection, small brown spots begin to appear. These spots gradually develop into spiral-shaped lesion with gray center and surrounded by brown margins. As the disease progresses, the lesion enlarge and merge together, causing the leaf to dry completely. If the fungus infects the neck and panicle, grain development is affected, resulting in empty or poorly filled grain and significant yield losses. Besides the visible symptom, rice blast disease also has signs that indicate the presence of the pathogen. The fungus produces microscopic conidia, which are asexually spores responsible for spreading the disease. These spores are easily dispersed by the wind, rain splash, allowing the infection to spread rapidly from one plant to another plant. Inside the infected plant tissue, the fungus develops thread-like structure called hyphae. These hyphae grown between the plant cells absorb nutrients from the host and continue expanding the infection. Under warm and humid conditions, the fungus continuously produces new spores, creating a repeating disease cycle through the rice field. Rice blast disease greatly affects the normal psychological function of the rice plant. As the fungus damages the leaf, the plant loses healthy leaf tissue needed for photosynthesis. With less photosynthesis, the plant produces less energy and fewer carbohydrates for growth and grain development. As a result, grain filling becomes poor, many grain remain empty, and overall rice field decreases significantly. In severe infection, young seedling may die before reaching maturity. Rice blast disease can be effectively managed through integrated disease management. Farmers should plant resistant rice variety, sow seeds early, apply balanced nitrogen fertilizer, maintain proper water management, and last but not least, fungicide use, such as rizoles or stabariums when necessary. In conclusion, rice blast disease remains one of the greatest challenges in rice cultivation. However, by understanding its pathogen, recognizing its symptom and sign, and applying effective control measures, farmers can reduce disease severely, protect crop yield, and contribute to sustainable rice production. Thank you for your attention.